Okay, so let's start this session now. So today's live is about regarding the USA admission application process. My name is Sharani. I'm the counselor from Advise International. So let us start. Before applying to university to study in the US, a little research is required on application cycles available, requirements and the process. So let's look on the application cycle first. Applications to different courses and universities in the US can be made 3 times a year. It depends on the student's preferences, which admission cycle they want to choose. The 3 intakes are fall, spring and summer. Applications for fall semester. The semester starts in the late August and ends in December or early January. Many selected courses are offered only in the fall semester. A lot of the scholarship and job opportunities are also available during the semester. Application for spring semester. Spring semester starts in January and ends in early May. Since it starts later, it is considered less than fall semester. Spring semester applicants lack the required experience for most of the internships and jobs. Application for summer semester. Summer semester is the shortest of all the semesters. It starts in June and ends in July. Some special programs are taught in the semester and there are considerable amount of scholarship given to study in the USA. Each year's universities and colleges set its own admission standards and decides which applicants meet those standards. Therefore, you must apply separately to each university or college. Even if you have selected one of the school or college where you are sure you want to study abroad, you should still apply to other schools or universities. It is possible that your first choice school may not accept you. At least one or two your choices should be schools where you and your counselor are fairly certain that you will be getting admission. Remember that you are competing with the prospective international students from all over the world for limited number of spaces. Most schools in USA encourage prospective international students to contact their admission office at least 1 year before planning to enter the school. So you have to apply to several schools. After you have selected the schools you want to attend, contact each school for application form. You can take help from your advice counselor for this. If you wish to apply for a graduate or postgraduate program, you should verify the admission requirements with the specific graduate school within the university. Many graduate programs have higher admission standards and some programs require that you send your application directly to the department. You should be good in academic standing. If you expect to be admitted to a graduate program, contact either the admission office of the graduate school or the chairperson of the department. Please mention that you learned about the school from Advise International. US universities and colleges usually base their admission decisions on the student's academic record and applicable test scores such as TOEFL, IELTS, PT, SAT or ACT. If you are applying for a graduate school's additional exam scores such as GRE, GMAT will be required. The admission office or a graduate school department will send you information about their academic program and an application form. You might be able to obtain a specific school application form online or from your advice counselor. The fee for each application is $35 to $150 USD. This money pays for a processing your application and is non-refundable. Even if you aren't admitted to the school, if you mail your application, make sure to contact the admission office to confirm your application was received. The admission office will review your marks earned during the last 4 years of secondary school. Your results from your country's national secondary school examination will also be reviewed. If you are applying to a graduate program, your marks from university or college will be taken into consideration. Ask the school you are now attending or the school you have attended most recently to mail a certified copy of your academic record or transcript to the schools to which you are applying. Prior to taking your admission test, you should arrange for official score reports to be sent to the universities or colleges that interest you. Be sure to send your application to each university or college before the application deadline. This gives you some extra time to resolve any possible delays. After the application deadline, you will begin receiving the letters from your chosen schools. Some universities inform candidates of their acceptance soon after their documents have arrived in the admission office. This is called rolling admissions. Other schools, however, wait several months and inform all candidates at one time. Most universities require students to pay a deposit by a certain deadlines in order to reserve a space in entering classes. For international students, the deposit can be as high as semesters a full year's tuition fee. You should send your deposit immediately if you are applying for a financial aid or if you plan to live in a university housing, because many schools do not have enough campus housing for all the students. You will have a better chance of getting a room on campus if you send your housing application and room deposit fee as quickly as possible. You may also require to provide a statement indicating how much money you will have available during the years you will be in school. If you have a school scholarship or a government or company is sponsoring you, you will need to send the details of your award. Post offer acceptance. You have to fill service form using the form I-20 and pay 350 USD service fee. After receiving the payment receipt, apply to your nearest US embassy for visa. This should be done 120 days prior to your planned departure to US. Contact the International Student Office at your university with the details of your arrival plans and confirm details of orientation for new students held by university. Next, we'll discuss about the university transfer options. So besides fresh admissions, international students can also transfer from their home country to an institution in the USA. The application process for the same shall starts in 12 months before you wish to enroll. Transfer students applying for autumn entries should submit their application by early spring, that is Feb or March. Similarly, transfer applicants for spring entries should submit their application by early autumn, that is October. Some institutions have priority dates instead of deadline, so individual research about such date is mandatory. In addition to the documents required in fresh admission, transfer students also need to submit a transfer application form. Transfer students are required to write a personal essay outlining their reasons to wish for transfer. Mostly, transfer students do not need to take an admission test, but there are institutions that might want to give the admission test. Besides these above differences, the rest of the application process is more or less the same. So now we'll discuss about the admission criteria. Students should have completed at least 1 year at their previous institution. The criteria varies from university to university. Transfer students need to perform academically well in their previous school. Transferring should not be mistaken as an easy entry to a complete competitive college in the USA. Most universities set a greater admission standard for transfer. Now we'll discuss about the application documentation. We need a cover letter, application fees, application form, statement of purpose, essays, resume, letter of recommendation that you have to get from the current university or the college. We need 3 numbers: transcript, mark sheet and certificate, bank certificate, proof of fund availability for 1 year of tuition fee, affidavit of financial support, test score report. We advise International conducting a virtual USA admissions day on 5th December, that is tomorrow, from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. The participating universities are into Missouri State University, California State University, San Bernardino, University of North Texas, MCPHS University. So students can join the Zoom session and can have a direct session with the university delegate. Both UG and PG level courses are available. You can register for this event on our website www.adviseinternational.com. Also, you can call us on toll-free number for clearing your doubts. Our number is 1800-102-0336 to connect with the country counselor, or you can just WhatsApp us on 8600-911-333. The respective country counselor from the respective branch will be contacting you. So if you guys have any doubts, you can put the same question in the chat box, so I will address that. Kadivelu Sai, I can see a question. May I know which city you belongs to so that I can just connect you with the concerned UK counselor. I think there are no more doubts. So if you guys have any other doubts, you can just drop a message in any of the social media platform like Facebook, Instagram. We will address you, and the concerned country counselor from the respective branches will be contacting you. Hope everyone will join for tomorrow's live session with the US universities. And thanks for joining us. Thank you.